In this question, you have to identify which of the following generates new genetic combinations leading to variation. Option A, sexual reproduction. During sexual reproduction, the fusion of male and female gametes leads to a formation of zygote. And this process involves meiosis, which includes crossing over and independent assortment of chromosomes, creating new genetic combinations and variation. Thus, it is the correct option. Option B, nucellular polyembryony. This is incorrect because it refers to an asexual reproduction process where embryos develop from the nucellular cells, which is a somatic cells without fertilization. And it produces genetically identical offspring to the parent. So no new genetic combinations are generated. Option C, vegetative reproduction. It is also incorrect because it refers to the reproduction that involves the development of new plants from vegetative parts such as the stems, roots, or leaves. And since it is a form of asexual reproduction, so the offsprings are genetically identical to the parent and genetic variation is not seen. Option D, parthenogenesis. It is also incorrect because it is a form of reproduction where offspring are produced from unfertilized egg. So it is also an asexual process and therefore genetically identical individuals are formed and it does not show any new genetic recombinations or variation.